when I have walked around here, I have noticed that Industry 4.0 is not anymore about only automating everything. But I really like the idea that now we want to connect the real life and the digital life together. And that means that what we are doing is that we are empowering people to do their work better using digital means.
When we develop AI and machine learning, customer value is really the key. It's been really interesting to see here in Hannover Messe that there are not so many players who can really do that seamlessly in their product portfolio.
This Hannover Messe has been a great example of outcoming of ecosystems. Elisa Industriq being one of those ecosystems, joining forces of 5 companies to offer solutions for multiple customers for multiple processes on the manufacturing field.